United 479, San Francisco Tower, runway 1 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, just take off 1 right, United 11, 22. Good morning, Scout 6502, outside Axonal Port area.
6502, San Francisco Tower, cross 172, power 757 on a mile and a half final, runway 2 left. San Francisco Tower, 1 left, line up and wait, traffic line 28.
Wait 1 left.
Etihad 182 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, cross 1 left, hold short 1 right.
Cross 1 left and hold on short right, 1 right, Etihad 182 Heavy.
Track is 1733, runway 1 right, RVR greater than 6,000, roll. Skyway 5374, wind 100 at 7, runway 1 left, RVR greater than 6,000, roll out 1,200, runway 1 left, clear for takeoff.
So we take 1 left, Skyway 5374.
United 358, cross straight left ground 28.
Cross straight left ground 3.
Car Skyway 6629 on Cat C for 2 right.
Line up and wait 1 left, Skyway 514 Lima. Confirm that's line up wait, Frontier 658.
Frontier 658, affirmative, 1 right, line up and wait.
Thank you.
Sky 5629, cross straight left, center ground 28.
Okay, we'll cross straight left, good now, definitely.
Etihad 182 Heavy, runway 28 left, line up and wait, traffic holding on the 1s, traffic crossing down slope.
Line up and wait, sir.
Etihad 182 Heavy, swing 110 at 9er, runway 28 left, cleared for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 28 left, Etihad 182 Heavy.
Alaska 383, San Francisco Tower, runway 1 right, line up and wait, traffic landing and departing 28.
Line up and wait 1 right, Alaska 3.
Sky 5403, hold short, runway 28 left for 1 departure.
Alright, 403. Tower, good morning, United 888 Heavy outside Axonal 28 right.
888 Heavy, San Francisco Tower, all 28 right, RVR is greater than 6,000, wind 110 at 10, runway 28 right, clear to land, appreciate a pirate on any layers you might pass through.
Okay, understand we are clear to land 28 right, and copy the RVR, and we'll let you know, we haven't entered the layer yet here.
Roger. Skyway 6403, cross straight left, kind of ground 28.
Cross straight left, on the ground, go 6403.
Etihad 182 Heavy, contact NorCal departure.
Okay, so for that, wait,